welcome back here to Room 9 tutorial videos. Mr. Carter here. So far what we've done is we have created fish that move around in our ocean, and they can move on their own just like that. So we've created a program to make them always move on the path, and that allows you to create items that move in the background on their own. So it could be objects that move on the own. So what we'd like to do now is we're going to add another object. So we're actually going to create a boat. So let's go and find the ship. Okay, so that sits on the top because obviously it's on top of the water. And then if we create a node and make it go in whatever direction. The difference with this one is that because it's on the water, we need just to raise the nodes up, so on the water. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, there we go. And the final one here, and then we need to add in, after you've done the last one, we need to add the code to make the boat move. So as you probably guessed, we need to program the boat. So when always move on the path. Again, always test it. There it goes, chugging away. Perfect. What we'd also like to do now is create a submarine that can sort of wander around on its own, that you control. So it's like a normal code object. Let's find the sub one, which is this icon here, and let's program it. So when the keyboard is pressed, do what? Move. Pretty simple. But actually I like the sub to do a few things. So submarines, they can go up and down. These controls here will make it go left and right, and back and forward. But what about up and down? So they can submerge and then re-emerge on the top of the sea. So how do you do that? It'd also be good to do torpedoes as well, because submarines fire torpedoes. So let's just do the submerging, so they're going down. So on the keyboard, let's press a particular number. Let's say number 1 is press do what? Move, and I want to move down. Okay, you choose what key you want, it's up to you. Keyboard number 2 is press do what? Move down. Fantastic. Let's have a little try of that. Okay, so 1. It's not working, so let's have a quick look why that's not working. Anyone spot that? Spotted the code. I've got 2 down, which is a bit silly, so let's just play with that. Deliberate mistake there, of course. So there we go. Always check your code. So press 2, there she comes, up, 1 goes down. Perfect. But actually I'd like to be inside, so I like to view as if I was actually in the sub. So I need to change the view of the submarine. So what you do is you go always, view, and it's first person. So when we start the program, the sub and you will you will appear inside the sub. It'll look like, okay, there we go. Can you see? There we go. And if I press up, I go up, 1 to go down, and I can spin and chase these fish and interact with them. Brilliant. Quite straightforward. What I want to do now is add these torpedoes. So when I hit the spacebar, so when I hit the keyboard, where on the keyboard? Well, it's not numbers, symbols and these, it's actually in here. Spacebar, do what? Shoot. What do you want to shoot? Missiles. Okay, should work. Let's test it. What an evil person firing missiles at fish. Whoops. They're not real fish, believe. I wouldn't hurt fish in my life. But anyways, there we go. So what we've created is a fish tank with other objects moving around. We've then created an object that we can control, that can go up and down and can shoot things. So that's a start. That teaches you how to have other things moving around in your world while you're programming. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that, and see you soon, and take care. Bye.